Today we'll talk about how can you enable events notifications uh, on your Star Work to app. So all you have to do, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. You go down, just click here in this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on notifications. When you just click on notifications, then it's going to take you to this list here. You come to this list here, you come to events, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here events notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.